Hello friends, welcome to my channel. My name is Utsav and let's get started. So friends, क्या आप अपने घर पे एक नया पेट लाने की सोच रहे हो? So अगर सोच रहे हो तो I will suggest you the best pet ever.
Do you want a pet? Are you planning to have one? Which one should you choose? Pets relieve stress. Pets, especially dogs and cats, can reduce stress, anxiety, and depression, ease loneliness, encourage exercise and playfulness, and even improve your cardiovascular health. Caring for an animal can help children grow up more secure and active. Pets also provide valuable companionship for older adults.
So I'm going to help you in this video to choose a pet.
The most common types of pets you might want to consider are rabbits, guinea pigs. Smaller animals make good pets, and provided you keep them clean, fed, and nourished, they will be great fun. Cats and kittens. And lastly, dogs and puppies.
In my childhood, I had a dog. It was a white color Pomerian. उसका नाम था Buzo. I used to love it so much. He used to listen to me and obey my each and every orders. बचपन में बोलता था Buzo उठो, Buzo वहाँ जाओ, and he used to do it. So it was so calming.
The most affectionate pets are dogs, especially golden retrievers, collies, and English bulldogs. Most cuddly pets are dogs. The safest pets are dogs. Animals which love humans the most are dogs. The pet which is best for depression are dogs. Dogs are good companions. The most common pets for reducing anxiety are dogs. A service dog can provide a sense of calm, anticipate anxiety attacks, and even fetch medication for their owners.
But there are many other reasons to have a dog.
Can dogs sense anxiety? Which breed of dog helps with anxiety? It is thought that dogs can smell fear and stress even when there are no other signs. A dog can smell the surge of hormones created by stress, including adrenaline and cortisol. In some cases, the dog has detected the increase of stress before their owner has even realized. As earlier said, service dogs helps in reducing anxiety. 5 top breeds that work well as service dogs are Boxers, German Shepherds, Golden Retrievers, Huskies, and Labrador Retrievers. Dogs motivate their owners to get moving. Exercise and activity for a dog is key to their well-being. What are the 5 most popular dogs among pet owners? The 5 most popular dog breeds are Labrador Retriever, Golden Retriever, German Shepherd, French Bulldog, and the Beagle. Out of these, German Shepherds are known to be the most protective and obedient dog breed. Now let me tell you 2 fun facts about dogs. Number 1. Dogs' noses are wet to help absorb scent chemicals. This amazing dog fact might answer a long-standing question that dog owners have. Why are dogs' noses wet? Researchers says that the answer is that dogs' noses are wet to help them absorb scent chemicals. Their nose secretes a special mucus that helps to absorb these chemicals, and then they lick their noses to sample them, helping them understand what the smell is. Number 2. Dogs have 3 eyelids. Many owners haven't heard of this interesting dog fact. Did you know that your 4-legged friend has 3 eyelids? According to researchers, the 3rd lid is called the haw or nictitating membrane. and it's responsible for keeping the eye protected and lubricated. Dogs and their obsession with their owners. Dogs become obsessed with their owners because their owners naturally reinforce that behavior. It is more likely if you tend to give it things that it wants, making them obsessed with you, such as toys, treats, or attention. Perhaps the most obvious reason some dogs simply prefer the companionship of their human owners is that they are obsessed with their owners. In this sense, our bond with dogs is one that has evolved over the course of domestications. Which is the most affectionate dog? Labrador Retriever. The Labrador Retriever is one of the most popular dog breed in the world, and it's no surprise it tops the list as being one of the most affectionate. Following this are Greyhound, Caviar King Charles Spaniel, Golden Retriever, and American Pit Bull Terrier. Do dogs remember people? A dog can remember someone his entire life. The associations remain stored in their brains and are related to how that person made them feel. A dog might not remember a specific event, but he will associate any gesture, movement, voice, and smell with an emotion.
Which breed of dog is the most calm and quiet one? सबसे शांत and sober dog.
The answer to it is Bulldog. A long nap on the couch sounds much more appealing to a bulldog than barking at every passing squirrel. This breed stays calm and composed most of the time, making him one of the quietest breeds you can choose. This makes them adorable too.
So if you're lonely, आप अकेले हो, and you are stressed and you're looking for a friend and you want a pet in your life, so go for a dog.
What are the easiest dog breed to train? Top 5 easiest dog breeds to train are: number 1, Poodle. Poodles often get a bad reputation because people assume they are a one-person dog. Number 2, Border Collie. This breed is known for their intelligence. Number 3, Golden Retriever. Number 4, Labrador Retriever. Number 5, German Shepherd dogs.
So guys, live life smiling. I've given you ample amount of information about dogs. So अगर आप सोच रहे हो to get a dog and you're finalized that I will get a dog, but before you go ahead, there are a few advices I still want to give you.
So, before you get a dog, read the below advices. Find a breed that fits your current and future lifestyle. Do the major planning ahead of time. Commit to the responsibility. Prepare for your life to change. Get a puppy with the right personality for you. Get your stuff off the floor. Be financially ready. Make sure you have the time to properly care for your dog.
That's it guys. Thank you for watching the video till the end. Hope you have liked this video. आप लोगों को अच्छा लगा होगा, तो please like, share and subscribe. Thank you for all your support and all your love. Keep watching. Feel your dreams.